If you pair this moisturizer with their vitamin C serum, it's like Sone Pe Suhaga, and trust me, your skin will thank you. Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. Summers are here, which means we all are dealing with excessive sweatiness, greasiness, oiliness, humidity. So I thought, why not make a video for you guys talking about my favorite moisturizers for this summer season. I know during summer seasons we often tend to skip our moisturizer and then straight away sunscreen ही लगा लेते हैं, but you know moisturizers are really important in your skincare routine. Morning में तो चलो moisturizer skip कर लिया क्योंकि sunscreen लगा लिया. What about night time? Night time में तो moisturizer apply करना ही पड़ता है. So this video is going to be very helpful, and that's not it. All the moisturizers that I'm going to be talking about in this video is under rupees 500. So if you are someone who is on a budget, then this video is definitely for you. So if you guys want to know what my favorite moisturizers are for this summer season, then please continue watching. It's day 3 of me recovering from COVID. Those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, right now I am COVID positive while I'm filming this video. The last 2 days were really taxing because I had fever, I had body ache, I had headache. Oh my god. Please start wearing your masks, you guys. COVID has started spreading again. I was also taking it very lightly, but then end mein ho hi gaya mujhe COVID. And now that I'm dealing with it, it's not good. So wear your masks, be careful, and yeah, keep yourself safe. And come on, make sure to like this video because itni halat kharab ho rakhi hai, fir bhi main shoot kar rahi hu, so please, like, you know, just give me a little pick me up. All the moisturizers I'm going to be talking about in this video is going to suit all skin types, and it's all fragrance free, which is great. So if you're someone who has super sensitive skin type and who don't react to fragrance that well in their skincare, then this video is for you. So make sure to watch this video from the start to the very end. Okay, so the very first pick I have for you guys is this one by Plum. It is their Mandarin and Vitamin C 3% moisturizer. Absolutely love the Vitamin C range from Plum, so I decided to try the moisturizer as well, and this one works really well. If you pair this moisturizer with their Vitamin C serum, it's like Sone Pe Suhaga. The combination of the two works really well, but in case if you don't have that serum as well, it still works fine. So since this moisturizer has vitamin C in it, it means it's gonna help you target those dullness and, you know, bring brightness to your skin. So it's not only gonna moisturize your skin, but it's also gonna help you get a brighter complexion the longer you keep using it. So this one has been great. It is extremely lightweight. I have been really enjoying using this in the morning, especially on those days when I'm using vitamin C serum in the morning. I make sure to top it off with this moisturizer, and then I use my sunscreen. So this retails for 550 rupees, so 500 के थोड़ा सा ऊपर है, but you can always find it on discount. Plus I do have a code with Plum, so if you are shopping from Plum on their website, then you can use my code and it will give you certain discount. So yeah, this one is my very first pick. The next moisturizer is something that I spoke about last year in one of my favorites, and ever since then I've gone through 2 tubs of it. That tells you how much I like it. So the next moisturizer is this one by Nykaa. This is their Spot Correct 5% Niacinamide moisturizer. It also has SPF 15 in it. Now this is another moisturizer that I've been gravitating towards a lot in the mornings, only because it has that SPF factor in it. I think इसमें एक night version भी आता है, which you can use during the day and during the night as well. But since I have the SPF version, I like using this in the morning. So this moisturizer has a little bit of a thicker texture, but it melts in your skin beautifully. बिल्कुल भी heavy feel नहीं होता. And the thing that I really like about this moisturizer is that it has 5% niacinamide in it, which means it will help to control that extra sebum production from your skin, because niacinamide is great for sebum production, great for acne prone skin as well. Plus it also helps with acne marks. So I really love this moisturizer. This one retails for $399, but you can always find it on discount on Nykaa. Combo में भी काफी offers चलता रहता है Nykaa में, so I would highly recommend you guys trying this one out. It is great, especially if you are someone who has more of an oily skin type. type. अगर आपकी skin बहुत ही ज़्यादा oil produce करती है during summer season, I would highly recommend you guys trying this moisturizer out because the niacinamide in it is definitely gonna help you with the sebum production for sure. The next moisturizer I'm going to be talking about is something that I spoke about recently and has been a favorite since quite a few months, and it's this one by Dot & Key. This is their ceramides and hyaluronic acid skin barrier repair face cream. I have been absolutely loving this moisturizer. Winters के time पे भी मैंने इसको बहुत use किया है, and in that video also I told you guys कि finish of this one is so lightweight yet hydrates it really well all day long. So I thought maybe this one would work well for summers, and I was absolutely right. Usually I'm not someone who's a fan of Dot & Key skincare, but this product has definitely made me want to try more products from them. This one is also fragrance free, which is great because Dot & Key is notorious for using fragrances and very high fragrances in their skincare, but this one is fragrance free. काफी जल्दी absorb हो जाता है skin में, just like all the moisturizers that I'm going to be talking about in this video. अगर आपकी dry skin है, you can pair this with hyaluronic acid and trust me, your skin will thank you. This is one of those moisturizers that will work on all skin types during all season, so I would highly recommend you guys trying this one out. It has been a favorite of mine, and I mean, you guys can see how much I've used it. There's still quite a bit of product left in here, so once I run out of it, I am definitely going to be repurchasing it because it has quickly become a staple in my skincare routine. I mean, winter से लेके अभी तक use कर रही हूँ, तो सोच लो कितना ही पसंद करती हूँ मैं इस moisturizer को. So this one is a great. Next moisturizer I'm going to be talking about is this one by Minimalist. It's their vitamin B5 10% moisturizer. It is meant for oily combination skin. I'm almost about to finish this one. This is what this moisturizer looks like. Now the thing that I really liked about this moisturizer is that it has that very gel kind of a consistency, and it feels a little thick while application, okay, but it absorbs really well into your skin. It takes a minute or two to really sink into your skin and keeps your skin moisturized. So I like using this during the night because you know you can definitely feel that you've applied a moisturizer on your skin. Although you can definitely feel it on your skin, it's not one of those moisturizers which will make you greasy throughout the day, so you can even use it during the day, especially if you're someone who is more of the dry skin type. But if you're someone who's oily combination, I would recommend using this during the night because that's what I've been doing with this one, and I have oily combination skin. So yeah, this one is another one. Next up, I have this moisturizer by Dr. Sheth's. It's their ceramide and vitamin C oil-free moisturizer. This one has 1% vitamin C and ceramides in it. This one, the Dot & Key wala, isme bhi ceramides hai, so my skin absolutely loves ceramide. Ceramide is really great to keep your skin looking healthy, to keep your skin barrier healthy. Ceramides are really important. So I love ceramides in my skincare, but especially my moisturizers, because I feel like I get the most benefit out of it when there is ceramides in my moisturizers. So this one not only has vitamin C but also has ceramides in it, which means you're getting the best of both worlds because vitamin C is a great antioxidant, works well to give your face that overall glow. So if you are someone who's dealing with dry, dehydrated skin and also lacking that glow in your skin, then definitely go for this one. This one I like to use in the morning as well as night depending on my mood. So yeah, definitely recommend using this one. Okay, so there you go guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like this video and also share this video with your friends and family. The links to all the products will be mentioned down in my description box below, so don't forget to check it out. If you guys want me to make more of summer skincare related videos, then make sure to let me know in the comments down below. And that's all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. It really means the world to me. I love you guys so much. With that, you guys, I'm gonna take a leave and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, Linda.
We're all